So today guys, this is what we're going to be modeling. I'm going to like for us to just take a good glimpse of the diagram and the dimensions just like they are being viewed from above now. So now I'm going to go over to my sketch, use front plane and start drawing the lines according to how the dimensions instructed us to do it. So now I'm going to take my dimension into a dimension according to the diagram. The top is going to be 65, the bottom is going to be 45. You can see the vertical distance from the 55 diameter circle to the 20 and 30 on is 100 millimeter. So I've already dimensioned one part of the circle. So I'm just going to hold Control and click on the outer circles and make them equal to each other. Then do the same thing for the inner circles. So now looking at the lower circle, we have a diameter of 55. So let's input it now. The next I'm going to take a look is the curved arc of radius 98. So looking at this now, I'm going to pick my 3-point arc. But note, if you start from here, you might find it a little bit tricky since the arc is going to be going inward. So I advise you start from the bottom to the top so that it will be easier for you to connect and align them together. So now we're going to input the upper arc of radius 20, starting from this edge to the other edge to make it easy to connect. After giving it its radius, we're going to make it tangent with the circumference of the circles by simply clicking on Control, then tap on the circumference, click on Control again and tap on the arc, then click on tangent and make it established. Do the same thing for the other side. Next, I'm going to put my slant line starting from the bottom to the top. I'm going to start from this point here and end at the second point of the top circle. So looking closely, you're going to see that the line cut across the circumference of the circle. So we're going to need to trim, and I like using power trim. So we're going to left click and drag to cut the line, then click OK. Simple as that. Next, we're going to construct the inner circle, which was actually put in as the construction circle. Looking at the diagram, you can see it has a diameter of 38 and it has extra 4 circles of 12 diameters aligned with it. So I'm just going to change it to a construction circle, just like this. So before I dimension the circles, I'm going to make them equal to each other. Control and click, control and click, control. This one is already light blue, so I'm just going to leave it. Go to the next, click on equal to, click on OK. Then I just dimension just one of the circle, and the rest are going to take the same dimensions automatically. So looking at the drawing, you can see it's under defined. So let's go to the interesting part. You click on that dot that is under that place, and you pick the fully defined sketch. Here I've already clicked on it, so I'm going to undo them and do it again. So you're going to pick the select entities on, and pick on those three: the arc, the top and side, then the slant line. Then click on calculate, and let the system calculate your works to make it fully defined. So you can see it's showing fully defined. I'm just going to click on OK and move on. You can see now it's fully defined sketch, so you have nothing to worry about. Lest we forget, we need to add our center circle, which is a diameter of 20. If you look back to the diagram, you're going to see it. So I'm just going to zoom in to the center and draw a circle. Then I'm going to dimension it a diameter of 20. So that our work is going to come out perfectly. So you can see fully defined sketch. So we click OK and move on to the extruding parts. So for this part, I'm just going to extrude only the inner middle surface. Since the total extrudeness is 30, if you minus 10, we're going to have 20. So I'm just going to click on the middle parts and give it 20 millimeter. You can see this how it comes out. So now we head to the extrude again. Click on that part side arrow, click on the side arrow of extrude, and click on the sketch. Then click in between the circle, the first one, click on it, click on the second one, and click on the lower parts, and give it an extrude width of 30 millimeter. I've already done mine, so you can do the same and click on OK. And this is it. A drawing comes out perfectly. A fully defined sketch. So like the usual, we do our normal painting drill. Delete parts, click on parts, then paint, click on OK. Repeat the process over and over. Delete, click on face, choose the color, put it with the spot you want, then click on OK before choosing another color. So here we have it. Our sketch has been fully designed. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all.